no caravans beyond that point. What's it say? Completes all touring mod?
I didn't see. Well, this is not quite as well timed.
Didn't you?
No.
These can all...
Touring guests stop here and report to reception. Right, so here we go.
I'll stop here then. Ream Hills Caravan Park.
Drive at that. Thingy bob. There we go.
Well, that worked proper, didn't it?
It did.
One way.
Yeah, she said keep left.
So that's 53 and we are
6.
6.
Ooh. 1.
Ah.
That's easy enough.
1A. There looks to be a lot of vans here that are probably more permanent.
3, yes.
But
yeah, they look quite permanent, don't they?
do. Yeah.
4, 5, and that's us.
This one by here.
This one by here.
Oh, you look, it says... We are at Ream Hills Caravan Park. So we're just going to do a bit of a walk.
Blackpool.
Near Blackpool, yeah. Just up the road from Blackpool. So we'll just have a little walk around the campsite. We're parked over there. Best motorhome on the campsite. But don't tell anybody else.
You're not biased at all, are you?
No, not biased one little bit.
Oh, helicopter.
Where? Where's helicopter? Oh, that's helicopter. Bleeding hell, missed that.
You really didn't see it?
No, I didn't see that.
You're messing about.
No, didn't see it at all.
Oh, it's got his own campsite.
Has he?
Yeah, it's probably a full service pitch.
Wow. I thought somebody was flying a drone helicopter, not a real one.
Yes, real.
Real. Oh, wow. Looks like it. It's different, isn't it? One has said it was the biggest thing I've ever seen. But nice. Yeah, look, little everything, microwave, and all sorts. Different.
Yeah.
Not probably a serviceable helicopter. Not going to take off very soon, is it? Not like that one. See, that's clever, isn't it? Helicopter noise next to helicopter. Hey, can't beat that. I ordered it.
It's been very quick since you only just realised the helicopter's here.
Yeah, absolutely. It does look very much like a lot of the caravans that are here have been here a while.
Yeah.
You know, because of the grass and bits and bobs. But hey ho, if you're close to Blackpool and you want to park your van up, it's quite nice.
Yeah.
There is a cafe. Is that right? Cafe.
I think so.
Cafe and a bar. Whether the bar and the cafe are the same thing,
or whether they're even open.
or whether they're even open or not, I don't know. But we are going to look for
Ronnie the Otter.
Ronnie the Otter. Okay. Not a water hotter.
Not
a water hotter.
He is a water otter. He's in the water.
He's in the water, yeah.
Yeah, Ronnie the Ream Hills Otter.
Right, okay.
Yeah, a lot of these seem to be permanent, don't they?
Yeah, they do.
Yeah, just get away for a weekend whenever you want.
Yeah,
It's quite nice. It's got a whole pitch there. It's probably garden.
It is, yeah. Pretty good, isn't it? This looks like the facilities block.
Yes, which we haven't actually thought about finding yet.
No, we don't really need it. The only thing we need to know where the Elson point is.
We can go and have a look.
Are we going to have a look? I'm not going in. I ain't got a guide dog, but... Toilet.
Men's is, ladies is.
I'm, oh, what did it say?
Oh, yes, it must say. Right. Well, there's a bin area, shower.
Elson point. Blue. One there, look.
Yeah.
Oh, she's miles away.
Yeah.
Because we are number... There. Oh, there's water there, which we know.
Yes. Because we're number 6.
And here.
Oh, so it's round further. Okay.
It's over there.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, yeah, we'll go that way.
Yeah.
No, we're not going to bother going in the toilets and showers and what have you. We'll leave that up to... oh, lost again.
Meet you round there.
Oh, right, okay. We'll leave that up to Bob Earnshaw. He does showers and toilets. The pitch we're on is a fully serviced pitch, which is good. We're down there. Motorhome service point, which is more to the point. It does say that it's about 15-minute drive into Blackpool. That's all right, tidy. Oh, generators water as well. That's clever. That's okay. That's good. Yeah, they're good, Susie, because they're big, you know, and look at the size of the waste to put your drainage in. That's good, though. Well, I mean, some of them you've had to lift the damn thing up.
Well, this is a motorhome service.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
So that's okay.
Yeah, pretty good.
Yeah.
Are we going to go that way?
Yeah.
And go and find Ronnie?
It's very nice and warm in there.
Is it?
Yes. And
Right, yeah,
clean.
it's steaming, look, so the boiler's obviously running.
Yeah. Yeah, there's nobody in there at the moment,
No.
but automatic lights, very warm, nice and clean.
Cool. You've just done a Bob Earnshaw.
I did.
Yeah.
I didn't actually take you in there.
No. I think we'll call that I've done a Bob.
You've done a Bob, yes.
I've done a Bob.
Yeah, not
In the
particularly
nicest sense.
Yes. I just wanted to see if it was warm because it's such a cold day.
Yeah.
And it is.
It is warm. It looks like there is just about 3 of us on here. Oh, there's a helicopter in the corner, Sue. I don't know whether you noticed that. Well, if you're new to our channel, and most people are because we've only really just started it, she's off again, she's coughing. This is really the first bit of our winter trip, really, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're doing here, and then we're
The Greedy Goose Lakeside Licence Caravan.
we're doing here for a couple of nights. We're going to go into Blackpool tomorrow and have a look at the we'll have a look round and really want to have a look at the lights. So if you ever see us about, that's us with the bear on the back. Yeah, so we're going to go and have a look at the illuminations tomorrow night, or tomorrow and tomorrow night. Bit nicky. Here we go. Oh, there is somewhere to play. So look,
Yes.
slides, and I think we go that way.
Yeah, okay.
Cafe Barn reception.
So you can go that way.
Yeah. We'll have to find out whether it's open or not.
Yeah.
Doesn't look very open, does it? I hardly think they're going to open the damn thing up for 3 people, but anyway, there you go. So we're on the lookout for Ronnie. No doubt he's gone off on his holidays. Big old yank tank there. That doesn't look like it's moved in a while. Some glamping pods. Yep. Well, here you go. Here's this has got some glamping pods, and here's the campsite. Here's the grass pictures. They're pretty cool. Nice, very nice. Washing up area. So, yeah. Chemical paste.
There's one shower and toilet per pod.
Oh,
So
right.
you have your own one when you're
Oh, right. Oh, Willow Pod 4. That's good, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a good idea. It's probably locked.
Yeah, it will be locked, yeah.
You won't get the keys unless
No.
you have the pod. That's brilliant.
Yes, I suppose that's to stop all the campers and what have you
Yeah.
going in.
And then you've got your own facilities.
Yeah. So you've got a bunk, looks like a double bed, and a sink and bits and bobs, a sofa. Oh, pretty cool. Absolutely flat, calm water. Pods on there.
The geodomes over there.
What's pardon?
Geodomes, they call them.
Oh, they're geodomes, are they?
That's what it says there.
Oh, right. Yeah, yeah. Anyway, there you go. Yeah, there's something to rent for you. Ladybank Lodge. Wow, that's nice.
Christmas tree up. That's what they've been
Yeah,
doing. That's
yeah.
yeah. Yeah, that's
Very
beautiful.
nice.
I like the sofa.
Yeah,
Yeah.
very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
And
good.
you've got the stairs going up there.
Yeah,
The bedrooms.
yeah, can't really see very well.
No, you can't.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, that is really nice. Like
Yeah,
that bed.
cool. Very nice. And they got another one at the end there as well.
We've got 2 or 3 at the end.
Yeah, all right, cool.
And I saw them overlooking the lake.
Yeah.
I thought, oh, that's brilliant. I bet they cost a fortune. Yeah.
Yeah, I bet they do as well.
I mean, these ones are lovely.
Yeah,
Something else.
yeah, look at that. It's like something out of a Swiss lodge or something, isn't it?
Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah, very, very nice. You probably need a couple of quid to rent one of those for the weekend.
A bit more than we paid.
Yeah, probably. Probably.
Wonder how many it sleeps. Probably 8.
Pardon?
6, 8. I was thinking how many people it would sleep.
I don't know.
I reckon sort of 8ish.
Probably, yeah.
I was just going by the ones at High Oaks.
Right, okay.
The mansion,
Yes.
Range rather. That sleeps 12.
Right.
So I would think
It's got to be pretty much close to that, hasn't it?
It's what, sorry?
It's got to be pretty much close to sort of 12.
I would think so. I reckon at least 8, maybe more. This one looks bigger again.
Yes, this is huge.
Yeah.
Wow.
Loads of people.
Wow.
They got like this. There's more than one there, isn't there?
Is it?
Oh, I'm looking at the doors at the top. Unless they're ways out of the bedrooms.
Probably ways out of the bedroom. So.
Yeah, could be.
Nice.
Could be to say that, right?
That is properly nice, isn't it?
That is lovely.
Hey?
Yeah, it's definitely a lot bigger.
Cool. What is bleeding Ronnie?
Well, isn't it playing? Well, he might be playing.
He might be playing ball somewhere, but he ain't playing ball where we can see him.
Well, it is quite cold. He's maybe found himself somewhere warm.
Yeah, during the day.
There's a few birds.
Yeah. I want a pair of swans.
Yeah.
Well, I can honestly say, yeah, there is another one behind the back there, Sue. There's yeah, too, yeah. That is, yeah, you could quite happily live in something like that.
Oh, easily.
So, there we go, folks. Ream Hills Caravan Park. Absolutely gorgeous. Right.
We better go.
So, that's it for us. We're going back to the motorhome. Have a cup of tea. Say bye-bye, Sue.
Bye.
See you later. Bye-bye.